Welcome guys to channel Auto Surgery. Today we have a 2010 Jeep Wrangler. Customer is complaining she has a leak. So let's check it out because you see some smoke coming out from the vehicle. He doesn't know exactly where it's coming from, but he saw something like that. So let's check it out. There we go guys, this is the baby right here. Yes. The baby right here. So tell me somewhere in the back here you saw some smoke. So what we do, we have two possibilities to do now. First of all, oh, excuse me. Since the customer is already adding some water here at the rod, so now I'm just gonna check the level, how much that he has. Then we're gonna leave the vehicle just running for a while to see if we're gonna see any leaks. Or second thing that you can do, you can pressurize it. Yes, if you don't have anything to pressurize it, you can do that option as well too. Okay, so to make it nice and easy, so let's start the vehicle and then we're gonna keep it running to temperature. Once you're running to temperature, then we will see if we have anything coming up. There you go. Now the baby is start. I see the vehicle has a check engine. He did tell me he has a check engine. That's for the O2 sensor. He told me do not bother about it. So just focus on the leak. So now let's focus on the leak. Alright, so the baby is running. While the baby is running, so what I do now, so to tell me, I'm gonna just checking. I'm just gonna checking something. Then most of the time, look at that ground. That ground is messed up already. He has to replace that ground. Yes. So I can just take a look at it myself. See, put this guy here. Those hoses is not good. So what happened is this line here on the top of the engine is going to the back. They put a heat shield on it. That heat shield get messed up. That heat shield get messed up on that one here. It's ripped up completely. So we have to replace that hose connected. That this is the problem. I already see. That was an easy peasy one. This the same line is connected to this guy here. So once you guys see some problem like that, when you order this part at the dealer will never gonna send you one line. It's better to replace both lines. Yes. It's better to replace both lines because the second one could get hit. It could be ripped off in a minute too at the same time. So I will change both lines. Then since it's already putting water, I'm gonna change the water to cool it. I will do a big flush on it. Yes, I will do a flush on it and then to replace those coolant back. As you guys can see again, just showing you that again. Where that pick up from. It's coming from this Oh my God. So let's order the parts. Go down turn off this vehicle. By the way, on this category of vehicle, I cannot remove those two hoses lying in the back because they don't have no space. I don't have time. I don't have choice. I have to remove the intake to have some space to remove it. That's the only way to remove it. Yeah, no space in the back, not even to put your hands. It was really tight to put your hands on. So I'm gonna start to remove those guys right now. They have another one in the back. Okay. So I have to drop my camera down, guys, to pick up everything. Then when I get off from this one, I'll show you guys the rest of it. This is it right there. I remove the whole intake to have access to that hose in the back. Yes, I have to remove everything. That's the only way. Yep. So now it's time to remove those two hoses in the back. I just want to shoot you a video to show you where this coming from. Where I remove the intake here. And this is where I'm going. Inside here. I already put it in. Now I'm gonna reassemble everything back the same way that it was. No way, nothing easy, man. Nice. That's baby ready for. She got it. Let's start that sexy right now, guys. Let's start it up. Just want to leave it to reach the temperature, then we will add more coolant on it. Then she will be ready to go home. So thank you guys for watching that video. Hopefully that video will help friends and family members. Please share and subscribe. Psalm 46 verse 1 said, God is our refuge and strength. In your situation, God is in control. Remember, in your situation, God is in control. Have faith, stay blessed.